Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll be studying the reference planes. Okay, that how you create a planes. For example, if you want to create some sketch on a plane, but these planes are not lie on that point. For example, I want to draw something in between this face and this plane. So something like here. uh, so what will I do? I will need to define another plane. So how you can create these planes? So let's just go to plane. You can create a plane by on three things, like you can give references of three. The first one is a face, the vertices and vertices and edges. Okay, these edges, and this is vertex. Okay, the vertex is something that where two or three edges uh, meet each other. Okay, now first we'll see the face one. Okay, so in a face, the first one is like I have just created this, selected this face. So my plan will be it is now parallel to this particular face. Okay, I can make it perpendicular to this particular face. I can even coincide with this face. It is coincide, you can see. Okay, or even I can give an angle to this. For example, I'm giving an angle of 120 degree to this plane, so it will move my plane to 120 degree. Okay, if I can um, flip the offset, and then if you want to give a distance, for example, there is a 10 millimeters distance, flip offset, it has flipped the plane. Okay, now multiple, if you want a multiple number of planes at this interval of 10 millimeters, you can create this by this way. Okay, like this, you can see it. Okay, now another thing is from the face. For example, if I want something which is just in between this face and like this face and this face, or for example like this face or and this face. Okay, so what will I do? Go to plane. One way is, if you know the length of this one, just offset this one, flip offset, and give it a distance. For example, if this is 40, give it 20 millimeters, it will be at the center. If you don't know the length, what will you do? Go to second reference and give this one. Okay, sorry, again go to reference plane, first reference, and there is a second reference. Okay, it is now at the like fully defined. Okay, it is now at in the center. Now we have another thing, that is vertices. Okay, or even at some edges. For example, this edge and now this edge. So it is now, you can see that it has created a plane like this. Okay, on these edges. Or if I remove this one, delete this one, and select this edge, so it has created plane at this edge. You can select a perpendicular or a project. No, you can't select this one, or coincident. Okay, I'm gonna go with coincident. Note that these options that come there, like in some cases there will be given a tangent or parallel or perpendicular, or this, it depends on the type of a plane. In some planes you can't, like in this plane you can't give a project. Okay, you have just two options. Either you could give it perpendicular, make it perpendicular, and you can make it coincident. Okay, in a second you can't give it this, either it is coincident or either it is perpendicular. Okay, so it depends on the type of a plane. Some options will be available, and some will not be available. Okay, now if you are going to again to the plane, and for example I'm giving this vertex, and in the second reference I'm gonna give this vertex, and also I'm gonna give this vertex. So it has created a plane here. Okay, now if I want to make it parallel, I can't make it parallel. I can make it perpendicular, or I can't make it coincident also. And I can change the angle of it, most probably. Yeah, I can change the angle of it, yeah, from here. And flip the offset if you want, you can change it from here. Okay, and if you can't give it the angle to it. Okay, and now if you want to create a plane, if you have some vertex here, sorry, edge here, and a vertex here, then there is your plane. You can a perpendicular, and there is a coincidence in the second one. Or it also depends on the references that you have selected. For example, I'm gonna select this one here, and the second reference is this one. Now again it has created the same thing. Okay, now this is my plane that I have created with the help of um, vertex and a edge. So there are different types of planes. And another one, if I want to create another plane, for example this plane over here, and one vertex over here. Okay, about two vertices you can change the angle, but if I select this vertex, now I can't change the angle. Now it will be created like this. Okay, I can also select some plane, and I can give it a, this is my vertex, and this face, you can see like this. And you can also give angle. For example, I'm giving an angle of 45 degrees here. There are 45 degrees, or maybe 30 degree. Okay, flip outside or offset, sorry. You can, for example, if you want some planes like this, you can draw multiple planes with the help of this. Okay, right here. Okay, now you can also give a reference of another plane. Like for example, in the first reference I'm gonna give this plane, for example a top plane. Yeah, now from a top plane, if I want to give a perpendicular top plane, I can parallel to a top plane, I can make them parallel, and I can also give a distance here, and increase the number of them as well. Offset, okay, and there, here. You can create any type of plane according to your requirements in a SolidWorks. I hope you would get it. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.